Hey, what's up, guys? Today we actually got the box right here that came in the mail, which is the amp, the factory amp for the Mustang from when we did the door sub install installing the doors. But yeah, anyway, yeah. So we had a bad amp, we got a new amp. We're gonna show you a little bit of that, and it's basically gonna be a short film today. My buddy Brian showed up. It's Sunday, Easter. A little bored. I got the kids, so we're just gonna. Well, my wife's working, so we're watching the kids and stuff like that too. So we got them out here, and Brian's willing to help me out do this while we watch the kids as well. You know, fatherhood. And yeah, let's just dip into it. All right, see you later. Ha 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 ha! A little mess in here too. Them carbon pieces, dog. Brian's got my boy.
What's up, guys?
Here's his coyote, Joyce. Huh? What do you think you're doing? Oh, yeah? All right. Let's find out where these little suckers are. So here you see the Mustang. Sorry, the voice is a little off. I do have the mic off, so I can actually fit in here without attaching all that. So underneath where your pedals are, there's your factory amps. That's the bad one we marked. We gotta take that one off. Put the new one in. I suppose I could just easily do this too. Brian said he's willing to do it. If he can't really do it, I know he's a taller guy, I'm gonna fit in here and just do it. Either one of us could really knock this out. Really not too bad to get to. There should be three, what do you call them? Like, yeah, three of these to get out. One here, here, and then one on the back side, I believe, up here. So yeah, they're kind of a pain, but it shouldn't be too bad. Let's get to it. Hey, you got a little wheel from my little seat over there, didn't you? Yeah. Anyway, I got the box open here. They sent me a, yeah, well, what do you, Hallmark. What do you know? They love me. And there we go. That's the part we need. So we got a new one here. Backside's a little rough, but hey, it's used, it works, I got it cheap. And that's all that matters, really. Now, I'm probably gonna dip into this. This will be private. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even know why they sent me a card. I guess we'll dip into that too. Maybe, we'll see. Hey, little man, what you doing? You chilling, looking at parts and all kinds of other garbage in here? Hell yeah, he's rocking. All right, let's get going. Kind of doing this one-handed here. It says thanks. Some M&Ms, man. Must be like a little business of theirs. M&Ms. Then a letter here. That's really sweet of them. I'll have to read that. It's just basically, I don't know, thanks for your recent purchase. Please keep us in mind if you ever need any more Mustang parts and so on. This is actually pretty cool. It's actually really nice that they sent a letter. I was not expecting that. Basically for parts on 99 to 04, 05, or 05 to 09 GTs, including motors and transmissions and a bunch of stuff from these guys. Left me a number as well. So thank you guys for that. I really was not expecting a letter. That's really sweet. It's actually badass. That's random. I mean, I got this off of eBay as well because I found something cheap and it worked. What's up, little man? All right, let's get going. We got a little thing to install, which should be, this video, like I said, should just be a short film. So let's get into it.
Yeah, the coyote. Yeah, always out when it turns a little dark. Always looking to strike. But in the red corner, we have a 3-valve who doesn't play around. And in the back, we have the owner's daughter messing with all the tools.
What do you think you're doing? Don't mind that little piece right here. That actually fell off my Dodge Ram. Yuck. What are you doing over here, making a mess? Better not lose any parts, especially at 10 mil. He's doing the tools. Let's turn the light on now. He's got a light over here on so you guys can somewhat see. Yeah, he's got it unplugged. So that bad one's. Now we just gotta unbolt that biatch. Get it out of there. That way we can. This side's working, but this way we can get the sub over there working. Oh, you're over here digging around again, huh? Hey, you. What are you doing? You just chilling? You're getting big, boy. I'll tell you what. Yeah. Either one of us can really tackle this job, and I'm sure you guys watching can. It's not really hard to do this. I just want to have at least one of us watching the kids. Seeing that they're my kids, I prefer to watch them, but I can also do it. Brian's willing to also do this. He has no problem doing it, right?
Right.
You better not. Now, he's good shit. So Brian offered to come over and chill out. Then he said, "Hey, I can put that amp in for you too while we got the kids here," because, like I said, wife is working. So we're gonna knock it out. But like I said, it was 3 bolts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. I think the one on the top is like on the upper right side. Do you got the right size? Okay. Oh, you're gonna dig in there again? Start losing my tools again?
I had to
Yeah?
move around tools.
Oh. She's getting excited. Sorry about the little mess in here. Like I said, we've been doing a lot of stuff and moving things around for Easter too. Yeah, don't have that in your hand. That's like 3M shit, I think. What are you doing? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, here we are. Brian got out the bad one over here that we labeled bad prior. That way we knew. And then getting ready to put the new one in. He's got light down here as well. But yeah. On to the next phase.
Rode
Whoop,
in
whoop.
this car.
You never, wait, really?
Yeah.
You never rode my 3-valve?
No.
You're really
A
talkative.
lot of people that I'm like, I'm friends with Mike, and I never rode in this car.
It's kind of a shock. There's a sturdy but vapor silver was what's underneath the wrap.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm recording you, boy.
Oh. Fucking mosquito.
You got hit by a mosquito?
Mosquito flying in my fucking face. Goddamn Wisconsin.
Wisconsin, that's how they say it, remember? Apparently that's how we say it, Wisconsin.
Wisconsinite.
Hey. He's like, I don't care, Dad. You got me sitting in this pink thing.
Say soap and cotton.
Every time I try to cover him up, too, he just does not like that. He just kicks it off. Why are you talking? What are you saying? Huh? You playing with my aux cord now? My carbon fiber turned out pretty good, too. From Dyna. Then obviously you got the true fiber right here, armrest. Putting in a new one. Basically 3 bolts, whatever. Nuts, pulley off there, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, not rocket science.
Nope. Pretty easy. Where's your little rubber band go on the right side, huh?
The top bolt's like a feel.
Yeah, that top one's kind of hard to feel. Yeah, well, you just got to feel for it. The top one, you can't really see it. But yeah, otherwise, pretty easy stuff. Yeah, we got a lot of garbage in here. Basically because we had Easter on the back deck here. We had tables all set up and I had a bunch of stuff on the back deck. So I had family over. I had to move all this shit out here. Now I got to chop all the cardboard up. Well, cut it all up, recycle it. Little man's trying to turn. So I need to attend these children. I'll be back. Little man, little man. She's chilling, and then I gave him some zip ties. He's trying to tie up the wiring harness, I guess you could call it, right?
Yeah.
something like that. Whatever.
Well, I don't know what you got here. This.
Just stuff, okay? Just
Oh,
it's
you
just
got like
stuff.
a toggle switch for fog lights?
She loves playing with my little lights there. This is a premium model.
What's this, bud? Do you use this at all?
Yeah, it's for the fog lights. I got to remount that as well. I had it up before and it came down. You know, shifting gears, whatnot.
Right.
It was a bad one. My daughter playing with all the buttons. You said it was an 8 mil, right?
Yeah.
So basically 8 mil to get these out. Keep in mind, here's your dash right here going in, and then to the left, you got them there. The one on the left here is the new one we put in. Well, it's used, but new to me. And then the other one's on the right over here. You got two on the bottom here to take off. I can even get my hand in there, but yeah, and then the one on top. That's it. The sub is working on the passenger side now, so it's good. Yeah. So both sides work. I don't have the amp in the back on, which I have an actual sub in the back, but I do know that both sides are working now, and that's a plus. So hopefully that wraps up this video. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thanks for watching. Say bye. She's moving her hand over there. That's about it. That's all you're gonna get. Thanks, Brian. So thanks for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe. I know the video took a little longer than expected. I thought it'd be shorter, but we split it up with the kids and all. But I appreciate you guys watching, and stop again.